Hello, guys. Uh, guys, please write in YouTube comment. Hello, guys. Okay, very good. I think, am I audible? Yes? Guys, am I audible? Please write. I hope, guys, I am audible. Mhm. Okay, then let's start, guys, to solve this problem. Uh, we will start from, wait. Okay, guys, I will invite you to Zoom as well. Mhm. Hello. So let's start. Guys, first question. In the first question, we will discuss it. Mhm. Sorry, guys. I am learning YouTube live translation. That's why just 1 minute. I should fix it. I think. Now in Zoom, guys, everything is visible. And am I audible, guys? Please turn on your microphone and you can speak, guys, please.
Yes, everything is fine.
Very good. Okay, guys, let's start then. So, So guys, please let me know if any problem here. First question. Yeah, this question appeared on the real SAT test and we will discuss it together, guys. Scatter plot shows relationship between the square footage of clothing stores and their annual sales in millions of dollars. According to the trend shown by the data, which of the following is the best prediction for the annual sales in millions of dollars of a clothing? That 4,000 square feet. 4,000 square feet, guys. Okay, what we do here? In this question, you can see, look, 4,000 square feet. We should find 4,000 square feet here and approximately find we need. For example, we will from here provide a line and this line approximately here. Okay, line of best fit approximately will be like this. You can see here they intersect at some point. This intersection point will be answer. It is somehow greater than 7, but very close to the 8. That's why we should choose this answer, guys. Okay. Then, so it is somehow greater than 7. The only such answer is A. Guys, is it clear? Guys, is it clear?
Assalomu alaykum ustoz.
Walaikum salam, Jahan Shah. Okay, very good. Now I will record the lesson
Ustoz,
for only some.
javobida 7,5 lekin.
Yo, 7,5 belgiladim. Yeah. Look, procedure and page no. Okay, the correct answer is 7.5, guys. Let's continue. This question appeared. And let's go to the next question. In the next question, it's also a very important question. So in triangle XYZ, the measure of x is x, the measure of y is y. The measures of that is 31. If x plus y plus 31, which of the following information is not sufficient to determine the values of x and y? Guys, look. If x plus y plus x plus y plus z equals to 31, yes, we are given that z equals to 31. And look, guys, which information is not sufficient? Let's try. For example, the first option, 31 minus 31 minus, it is z, yes? Yeah, it is in 31 minus x minus 3y. It is a option equals to some number. Uh, let's say it's equal to 2. Yeah, you can see here will be definitely intersection point. It means you can define this value, guys. You can define this value. Okay, let's A option, a B option. In the B option, here will be 31 plus 3x plus y equals to some number. Let's say this number, just random number, guys, 10. You can see they will have intersection point. Just by changing this 10, you can find solutions. They intersect. It means it is sufficient to determine the values of x and y because system here is solvable. Okay. Then next option. In the next option, we can try the third one, like 31 minus 3x minus 3y equals to some number. Let's say 10 as well. It is which C, in C option here should be plus. You can see they intersect at some point. It means x and y can be found. And last option is here. This one also minus. It means they are parallel, guys. It means they are parallel. If they are parallel, never you cannot define the exact values of x and y. That's why correct answer is D. Guys, understand it? Mm-hmm. Ah, wait. It is 30, sorry, 180 degrees. Sorry, guys. Yes. Now still they are parallel. Sorry, I'm sorry. It is still they are parallel. Guys, understand it? No, Eldana, sorry. X plus y plus z equals to 10. But this number I just took myself. Okay. This is correct, basically. Okay, let's continue then to the next question. In this question, yeah, it's a pretty popular question. A number f is 120% greater than positive number g. Okay, and h is 90% less. Guys, in this kind of questions, um, you can define like in this question you are three unknowns and only three unknowns and only two equation. Third one we should find. In this kind of questions, you can give any value for any of them. For example, the first statement states f equals to 120% greater. When some number 120% greater, it means 220%. 220% of number g. Well, yeah, let's define the value of g as 1. Now f is found. Now h is 90% less. When something 90% less, it means it is 10%. Now, this is h is 10% of f, turns out. Okay, asked h is how many times of g? It means you're asked to find h divided by g. So that one will be answer. That one will be answer. Guys, is it clear? Okay, guys. Then let's continue. Let's continue to the next question. Next question is thank you very much, Sunatullah, for helping. In the next question, we are defined function g and defined the kx also defined. We are going to calculate value of k9. Guys, in SAT, if you see some positive numbers they are saying, and directly it's not asked the value of p, it means you can give any positive value for this number, for this number. You can find it. So guys, what we can do, first we will define our function g of x equals to 10x plus 5 dividing by 3p. And at the same time, kx equals to j of x multiplication p dividing by, yeah, they are together, dividing by x plus 1. Okay, the multiplication here, gx and kx, Okay, let's define p and any positive value you can give. Okay, here, doesn't matter which value you will give. And ask it to find k of 9. You can see it's this number. It is 19 over 6. Whatever value you will give for P, the value of K9 does not change. That's why correct answer will be A. Very good. Let's continue to the next question. Okay. In the xy plane, which of the following does not contain any points that are part of the solution to set this? Okay, guys. We will draw it, guys. 7x minus 6y equal greater than 42. If you draw it, you will see those points. But here, obviously visible that this second quadrant does not contain any points. It corresponds to x negative values, y positive values. So the correct answer then will be D. Yeah, I just wrote it and I just assumed that. Yeah, it's one of the easiest questions. Next question. What is the sum of the solutions? Yeah, in comment someone writing. Thank you, Muhammad Yusuf. Okay. So guys, in this kind of questions, we are given this model equation and we can draw both of them. How we draw it? 4x plus 8 plus 4 dividing by 8. It is left hand side function. Guys, draw right hand side function. Guys, draw right hand side function. Okay. So you can see here intersection points, guys. You can see intersection point. This point and this point. Two intersection points, and you should pay attention to only x coordinates, -3 and 9. If you add -3 to 9, you will get -4. Continue, guys. A beekeeper's initial observation of the population of certain bee colony given. Okay. Guys, screen is visible, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Guys, look. The beekeeper uses a model that predicts a population of bee colony begins at this and increases by this every week, per week in the first 2 weeks. Then increase by 165 bees per week until the beekeeper goal is reached. According to this model, at the end of the W week, guys, here the most important part is function give us still like we need the number of bees we need to reach to the goal, guys. To the goal. Okay. What we can do? First of all, okay, colony was this, and during first 2 weeks, it's another rate. We will do it in this, like 110, but during 2 weeks. It means this amount here will be. Okay, how many remains to reach to the goal? Remains this number minus this number, yes, 18, 20. Okay, this one will be, guys, just after 2 weeks, yes. This amount we need after 2 weeks. Look, let's create table. And at the second week, at the end of the second week, we need still this amount of bees for reaching to our goal. Okay, and other relationship is linear relationship, so that's why next week after here, if you put here 3, yes, here should be how many we need to for reaching to our goal, we need minus 165. Now you can see, and we can easily do this. And correct answer is B, guys. You can see the most important part of this question is how many bees we need for reaching to this goal. That's why I should subtract. This is I need this amount. After 1 week, it means third week, I need like already 165 already next week produced, and we need how many remained. Remained one will be this answer, guys. Guys, is it clear?
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
Thank you, guys. Let's continue. Then, yes, Eldana, we can solve this kind of questions through Desmos. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue. Next question. Problem number 8. Guys, by the way, here one question. It was today we discussed it here. I saw Danyorbek Rahmanberdi is here as well. Hello, brother.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, this question, you solved it correctly. Yeah, we solved this question like 2 months ago, and we solved. I also solved with Desmos, and got the result, which is the first one also true. But then I didn't believe. That's why I published my solution. But it turns out yours is correct. I checked it. I understand it. Thank you, brother. At this moment, I want to tell you. So let's, guys, I will explain to other guys as well this question. Um, okay, screen is visible. Guys,
Yes.
then I will give, we will solve two this kind of questions. Look, guys. First of all, scatter plots and the line of best fit of dataset A with equation Y is shown. If the point H is removed from the dataset to create dataset B with equation this, which of the following is true? Guys, in this question, we are just removing this point. Something outlier, yes, something very high point. Something very high point we are removing. What to do, how to approach in this kind of questions. Guys, let's make a very little experiment to do together. Let's open table and give some points. So what are they? For example, we will just build our parabola. I want to build here with you parabola x squared plus 1. How it works? When x equals to 1, it is 2. When x equals to 0, it's equal to 1. When it's equal to minus 1, it's equal to just 2. Yes? When 2, it's equal to 2 square 4 plus 5. When here minus 2, it is still 5. Yeah, we can make a regression, which is quadratic regression. So here minus 2. So now everything reads. Now if I look, you can see in this question, this a coefficient a is positive 1. What happens if I add to this quadratics one additional point, guys? So I will add here some point with 0 and very big. Let's say at 6. Yes? 6 is pretty very big. Okay, 6 is okay. And we will do quadratic regression. You can see now it decreased. You can see if you add something outlier, this a, it was 1. Now it decreased to 0.5. It means giving 1 point decreases. Giving one additional outlier decreases. Giving one additional outlier decreases the value of a. It means removing one outlier increases the value of a. This logic. Okay, I will write here for clarity. So adding 1 point, Okay, I will open here. Guys, you should also learn how to do this kind of experiments. Okay. Note, adding one outlier point, uh, increases the value of A. Okay, it means removing, guys, from the logic, removing, then I will write here, then removing 1 point decreases it. What does it mean? It was originally, wait, it adding 1 point, you can see in this problem, it decreases. Yes, sorry, guys. Again, I'm mistaken, decreasing. Because it was 1, now it became 0.5. Decreasing. And removing 1 point, then it turns out it increases it. It means A was 0.07, you can see here. Now, after adding this point, it definitely increases. It means A, now new A becomes greater than this number. This logic, guys, one more time. From the experiment, we show that it was 1. After adding some outlier here, it increased. It decreased. It means adding one outlier point decreases the value of A. From the logic, if you remove it, it increases the value of A. It means now new A becomes greater than this one. It means the option first is correct. Guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay, guys, very good. And we can use this approach to this one as well. Uh, uh, Till adding this, the C, like y-intercept was 1. Now y-intercept, y-intercept, which is C, in this case, it increases. It means when you remove it, it decreases. It decreases means it becomes C less than 6.33. That's why. So correct answer is to this question, both of them correct. C. C option. Yes, guys. So we will continue then. We will continue. So next question about the median and the two datasets, median of the two datasets. We can use with Desmos as well, this question, entering all of them. But if you are lazy, you can do it by just counting. 3 here, 2 here, central, 2, 3. You can see this symmetric dataset. Here also symmetric dataset. In symmetric datasets, the values which is located at the center will be median, will be median and mean. In this case, due to like 3 low number, 3 grids numbers. One this and one. Like they are symmetrical datasets. In symmetrical datasets, median is always located at the peak. In this case, here very center of this one is 14 due to symmetry. This is also 14 due to symmetry. Their medians will be equal. You can just another way, just you can count here every number and find this central element, guys. Okay. You can count it. It's easy question because it's a very basic statistics. In this kind of questions, like questions, mm-hmm. Eldana, yes, this question can be experimental, but it appeared on US version. This question about scatter plot, quadratic scatter plot, it's appeared on US version earlier. Yes. The table shows distribution of people in certain city. Uh, by age group. If a person in the city is selected at random, which of the following closest to the probability selecting person who is greater than 65 years old, given that the person is at least 18 years old? It means it is at least 18 years old. It means we are, first of all, you should pay attention to given that part. It is located here. It is located here. And guys, uh, we need our target is selecting person who is greater than 65 is this one, guys. It is our target. Now, due to probability formula, it is target divided by total gives you probability. 26 divided by total is 24 plus 22 plus 26 gives you 0.36. That is the correct answer, guys. Correct answer is B. Guys, understand it now?
Yes.
Thank you. First of all, we should pay attention to given that. Yes. Okay. Guys, I have one recommendation. Let's we will finish it and we will do it on Telegram. Do you agree?
Yes, yes.
Let's go, guys. Let's go to Telegram. Thank you very much.